In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DRM strategy in TradingView Pro. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you've selected the chart you want to work with. It can be any market or time frame you like, as long as you're comfortable analyzing it. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles, we're ready to add the strategy. First, move your attention to the top of the TradingView interface. You'll see a menu bar with various options. Look for the button labeled Indicators. This is where all your built-in tools, custom scripts, and strategies live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. When you do, a panel or pop-up window will appear, usually in the middle or on the side of your screen. Inside this Indicators window, you'll notice different sections like Favorites, Built-ins, Technicals, and sometimes Community scripts, depending on your plan. At the top of this window, there's a search box. This is one of the easiest ways to find exactly what you're looking for, especially if you already know the name of the script or strategy you want to use. Click directly on the search box so your cursor is active there. Now carefully type in DRM strategy. Make sure you spell it correctly, because even a small typo can cause the tool not to appear in the list. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below based on what you've entered. After a moment, you should see DRM strategy appear in the results. It may show up under strategies, community scripts, or a similar category, depending on how it has been published. Take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one if there are multiple similar names. Once you've found the right DRM strategy entry, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the strategy will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice new overlays, signals, or labels appearing on the candles, along with a strategy tester tab at the bottom of the screen where you can see performance metrics like net profit, drawdown, and number of trades. You can adjust the settings by hovering over the strategy name in the chart legend and opening the settings window to fine-tune parameters to match your trading style. If you're using TradingView Pro or considering upgrading, remember that a Pro plan typically gives you more indicators per chart and more flexibility, which makes working with strategies like DRM much smoother. You can find an affiliate link in the description if you'd like to support the channel while getting access to those extra features. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added DRM strategy in TradingView Pro and you're ready to start experimenting, backtesting, and refining your approach.